Hey there, how's it going? Are you good? Brilliant! So today I have a scratch on my middle finger, which is great. Pancake did this. She jumped onto my lap, missed, and then managed to catch herself and her full weight using the tip of my finger. Instagram followers, they would have seen this about a week back, so join me on my Instagram. So in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the speaker that I made, and if you're an old subscriber you've probably already seen the speaker. You've not heard the demo of it, so I'm going to give you a demo, and also something else. Okay, so this is part of the original case that the speaker came out of, and on the back of it we have this. This is some sort of foam gasket, and what I'm doing is I'm taking, this was already ripped, and that prevents any weird noises such as vibrations, buzzing, and also stops any air leaks. So what I'm doing right now is I'm using a hairdryer to sort of soften the glue, and I'm going to take this off and put it onto the speaker box that I made. And this right here is a speaker I made. Hang on a second. That's better. Okay, so right here we have two parts of this 5-part iOS system, which is about 20 years old. At the bottom here we have the amplifier, and at the top we have the graphic equalizer / spectrum analyzer. Before I get started, this is the first track I'm going to be playing. Check it out. Okay, so when I hit play, what I'll do is I'll record the sound from here where I am, and then I'll go to the other side of the room and you can hear what the speaker sounds like from over there. And play. Okay, so the next track I'll be playing is this one. Okay, so the next track I'm going to play is Space Aliens Like Heavy Metal 2. Personally, I don't mind a bit of metal. Somebody sent me a WhatsApp in the middle of that. So yeah, that is a center channel speaker, and these speakers have been taken from these, like you already know. So I'm going to put this back. Just thought I'd make this a quick video, and finally you know what this sounds like. Now I'm going to go watch a movie.